5 Best RC Cars 2024. 1. HAIBOXING 118 Scale All-Terrain RC Car 18859. The HAIBOXING 118 Scale All-Terrain RC Car 18859 offers thrilling speeds up to 36 kph, driven by a powerful brushed RC380 motor. With hobby-class design features like ball bearings and independent suspension, it's durable and fun for both kids and adults. The 2.4 GHz remote control system provides stable operation within 280 feet, with reliable transmission for forward, brake, and reverse functions. Its splash-proof electronic components enable off-road adventures on various terrains. Featuring a flexible PVC body, high-grip tires, and 2 long-lasting LiPo battery packs, this RC truck is almost ready to run out of the box. Users are advised to disconnect the LiPo batteries when not in use, and replacement parts are readily available on Amazon. Get ready for exciting RC action with this versatile and high-speed off-road truck. 2. Hosim 1.8 Brushless RC Cars. The Hosim 1:8 brushless RC car offers durability, speed, and affordability in a large-scale model suitable for various terrains like sand, desert, and grass. With 3S 11.1V 2600 mAh batteries, it runs for up to 30 minutes, reaching speeds of 80+ km/h, 50+ mpx. Equipped with a 3650 brushless motor and 85A brushless ESC, it ensures longevity and efficient power consumption. Featuring metal hydraulic shocks and a durable metal chassis, this RC car offers stability and agility on all surfaces. The 2.4 GHz remote control system provides a stable control range up to 320 feet, making it suitable for racing with friends or family. 3. HYPERGO H16BM 1/16 RTR Brushless Fast RC Cars. The HYPERGO H16BM 1/16 RTR Brushless RC car offers high performance for adults with features like a Hobby 2845 4200 kV brushless motor and a 45A ESC for potential upgrades. Its durable transmission system with metal gears ensures efficient power distribution. The honeycomb chassis and F/R zinc metal sheets provide impact resistance, while the flame-retardant battery casing enhances safety. With pre-mounted sponge-inserted tires and oil-filled absorbers, the truck handles high speeds and jumps smoothly. Equipped with a 2S 7.4V 1050 mAh LiPo battery, it reaches speeds of 27+ mph, with the potential for 42+ mph using a 3S LiPo battery. The transmitter features a 2.4 GHz 3-channel radio with light bar control, including a throttle-limited switch for beginners. 4. HYPERGO H14BM 1/14 Brushless RC Cars. The HYPERGO H14BM 1/14 Brushless RC car for adults offers extreme speed and durability for off-road adventures. Its rugged chassis components, aluminum alloy chassis, and composite front bumper ensure unstoppable bashing performance. Equipped with a Hobby 2852 4400 kV brushless motor and a 45A ESC, this truggy delivers incredible speed potential, reaching up to 50 miles per hour with an Angry Snail 3S 2000 battery. The airless-style tires are suitable for various terrains, while pre-mounted sponge-inserted tires and oil-filled absorbers ensure stable driving at high speeds. The transmitter features a 2.4 GHz 3-channel radio with light control and throttle limit options for new users. DEERC 9201E 110 Large Remote Control Truck with Lights. The DEERC 9201E 110 Large Remote Control Truck is a high-speed RC car equipped with powerful 540 brushed motors, reinforced bumpers, LED lighting system, and all-terrain tires for adventurous driving experiences. It comes with two 1,200 mAh rechargeable batteries, offering over 40 minutes of playtime. The car boasts a high-performance motor capable of reaching speeds up to 48 km per hour with a heat sink to maintain performance and longevity. It features a high-torque steering servo and 30A ESC for precise control and top speed, while its independent suspension and anti-skid rubber tires ensure stability and traction on any terrain. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.